Okay, I've been collecting my kitchen scraps and kitchen sc- scraps and all the decomposing stuff that you need to throw away at your home in this container. And it's almost full. It's um, about to overflow. It's completely full to the top, so I can fit bit more crap around, but I'm not going to do it anymore because it will be difficult to turn it over. So I'm going to change this container now. I'm going to turn this thing upside down and uh, get whatever compost is there to get whatever compost is there that I can get from it, and then I'll put this in a different container which I've got ready here in this one. And when I put this put the compost in this one, I can uh, put the lid on the top, and so that all the insects and little flies like thing cannot grow or come out. So that's what I'm going to do. I've got everything ready. I'm going to pour the whole thing in this one, and you will see how all the things I put in that container, and then separate compost and put the rest of uh, the stuff that is yet to be decomposed in this one, transfer in this one. And the good thing about this container is it's transparent, and you can see how is the compost going in each level. But in that one before, it is like you cannot see inside, so I had to guess what's happening there. So it's been a while, and I've been layering up the thing with the scraps, rubbish and scraps, and soil in between, and it has reached to the top. Now it's time to change it. Now let's do it. So I've got this shed up here ready to go. So this thing is for first to pull out, first to take out all the thing from that bag and separate whatever compost I can put in the veggies straight away in this bag. I've got this bag ready here, and then I'll put the rest of the compost, the rubbish or scrap, in this container, transfer to this one. So let's do it. So here we go. Let's see how things are here. Oh, look at that. Unfortunately,